What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I've got two quick projects. Look how cute. Y'all, we're gonna need our easy bow maker. We're gonna need some pipe cleaners. Y'all, I'm gonna use these three. So I'm gonna start with this one on the base. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a tail. We're gonna go about 6 inches. Let's just make it a pretty simple bow. What's up, y'all? We got our pipe cleaner. We're gonna tie this off real quick. All right, so let's make our second. We're gonna make 2 of these carrots real quick. So let's get our other bow done. Let's get this tied off. All right. Y'all, this is a super easy project. We just need 1 giant carrot, 1 spray, and a little bit of greens. Oh, and a bow, of course. All right, let's get our little pick fluffed out a little bit. Let's trim this up. Get this nice and fluffed out so we can see what we're working with here. All right, so on this particular stem, y'all, what I want to do is get this trimmed up nice and short. And then we're going to do like a good little switcheroo. And we're just going to bend that around and over. Right? Why cut it apart if we don't have to? Fluff it back out. Okay. So now we created like a little baby swag. We're going to do the same thing over here. Where this stem's at, we're just going to give it a nice little... Do we want to spin it off or do we just want to leave this like that? Let's just leave this up, not do that. Let's just trim this down a little bit. We're going to do these a little bit different. We're just going to leave the black carrots coming north. All right, so now we have this little spray. we're going to find ourselves a small zip tie. And we're just going to zip tie this down to our carrot base. So all I'm doing is running that zip tie right through the carrot. Then we're just going to take our little bow and add it right in that little blank spot that we just created. Get these twisted off. All right, y'all, then we can just trim up our ribbon here. Look how cute and super quick. All right, this stem over here, where's it at? Over here is a little too far out for me. So I'm going to take it and just kind of bend it down and then bend it back up so that it's not looking like it's in the left field, y'all. But look how cute. All right, let's knock the other one out real quick. All right, get these done. Get these layered up. All right, let's get this tied off with our little zip tie friend. We're going to run it back through the burlap. That twist it off. Pull some of this up a little bit. Get our bow added. All right, let's get this trimmed up. Y'all, look how cute. Done.